Origins of ice cream. Ice cream originated in China and was brought to the West by Marco Polo in the 13th century. Did you know India has its own traditional ice cream? It is called Kulfi. Kulfi has been around since Mughal era, way before modern ice cream came into the picture. Unlike regular ice cream that's churned and fluffy, Kulfi is thicker, creamier and packed with flavor. It is one of India's oldest frozen desserts. The first ice cream parlor in America opened in New York around 1790. Surveys indicate that men prefer ice cream desserts more than women. Despite many brands, vanilla remains the most popular flavor, chosen 90% of the time. Thomas Jefferson was the first American to write down the ice cream recipe, enhancing the popularity. President Reagan declared July as National Ice Cream Month, with the third Sunday designated as the National Ice Cream Day. If ice crystals appear, it's a sign of poor storage and the ice cream should be discarded. Consuming ice cream in the morning can enhance focus, according to a Japanese scientist.